How to add follow button on Facebook Lite. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Facebook Lite. Now go to your profile, tap on three dots and click on View As. As you can see, there is option for add friend. Now to add follow button, go back, tap on the three lines, scroll down and tap on settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on how people find and contact you. Now change the option for who can send you friend request from everyone to friends of friends. Now go back. Now go to followers and public content. Now select who can follow me and change it to public. Now change every other options to public and go back. Now go to your profile, tap on three dots, tap on View As. Now refresh the page and here you can see the and here you can find the follow button. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.